The Spitzer telescope is an infrared telescope. An infrared telescope uses infrared light to detect celestial bodies. Infrared light is one of several different types of radiation present on the electromagnetic spectrum. An infrared telescope can also show temperature of objects in space that are above absolute zero. Okay, these are some photos taken by an infrared telescope, and they're black and white, but you can see where the pictures could show heat and how this is darker in the center, so that would mean it was hotter, and towards the outside you could see where it get lighter, which means the star is less bright. And here you can see it's pretty bright in the middle. And yeah.
Even those pictures in black and white, you can still see how the Spitzer differentiates from hot and cool temperatures in the center of the galaxy as to when it gets cooler in the outer rims of this galaxy as it spreads out.
The contributions to astronomy that the Spitzer made were it discovered the TRAPPIST-1, which is a solar system that was newly discovered, and in it was an ice planet or an exoplanet. And also the Spitzer was only built to last 2.5 years, but actually lasted for 5.5 years in space.
So the history of the Spitzer. While parts of the Spitzer must be kept cold to function properly, other electronics on board the spacecraft need to operate near room temperature. To achieve this balance of warm and cold, the telescope must be compartmentalized into two components. The cryogenic telescope assembly houses Spitzer's cold components, including the 0.85 meter telescope and 3 scientific instruments. The spacecraft contains relatively warm components, including solar panels, telescope controls, and tools to communicate specific information with Earth. Lyman Spitzer was an American theoretical physicist and astronomer. The Spitzer telescope was named after him because he was the first to suggest launching a large telescope into space.